Attention business owners, big banks don't have your back. If you're a business owner in need of some extra capital to grow your business, needing a line of credit, or perhaps you've had an unexpected financial setback, we can help. Our simple online process can get you same-day approvals and same-day funding. We've helped thousands of businesses nationwide get the capital they need with no hard credit inquiries, with transparent terms, and no collateral required. Whether you're a gig economy worker or large corporation, we can help. Here's just a small sampling of the types of businesses we were able to get funding for. John, who owns a trucking company in Texas, received $13,500 for some repairs. Lisa and her husband Stan, who own a healthcare company in Georgia, used $75,000 to expand their practice. Larry, who owns a fitness center in Florida, picked up $35,000 for new equipment. Jerry's real estate company in North Carolina got $25,000 in funding for some remodeling. Tasha used $11,000 in funding to expand her salon and spa. We had a medical sales company receive $80,000 in funding for more product inventory. Rick from Texas used $25,000 in his auto repair shop for new lift. Jerry, who owns an HVAC company in Florida, used $150,000 to hire more employees. Tony, who owns a pizza parlor in New York, used $25,000 in funding for new pizza ovens. Lorenzo from New Mexico used $300,000 for his trucking company. An advertising company in Illinois used $45,000 to expand their marketing department. A construction company in Washington used $250,000 for a new crane. Jenny from Georgia used $19,000 for her maid service. A senior healthcare center in Florida used $88,000 for some immediate needed repairs, and Tom's Farm Supply in Oklahoma received $11,000 in funding for new merchant processing systems, just to name a few. So if you're interested in an immediate funding or would just like a free, no commitment quote of what you would be approved for, please visit our website today. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to growing with you.